So you were away on holiday? Or are you just lazy? Now your lawn looks like this. Or this. Yeah. But where to from here? Where do you even begin? First things first, analyze. Interesting. Oh, it's overgrown. That was easy. Guys, I'm going to stop the video there for a second. Thank you so much for your support on my online shop, southafricanlawn.co.za, southafricanlawn.co.za. If you want to support this channel, go and get yourself a pair of fallies or a cap or whatever is on the site to support this channel. I really appreciate your owns. Right, so we've established it's overgrown. Now, decisions. Do I embrace the new height? Set my mower up a few notches and live with a taller, thicker lawn? Or do we lower it a few notches and send this kikuyu to the pick it up landfill site? Which they probably won't collect on Wednesday because it's pick it up. Why would they? Probably would have been better if they just put "we won't" in front of their name. Like, we won't pick it up. But in any case, we're getting off the point here. Back to the lawn. Ching chong cha. Right, so tall it is. But how tall is tall, you might be asking? So in order for us to not break the 1/3 rule, we first have to measure where we're starting at. And let me tell you, to start with, it's quite difficult to measure because it's been growing for about 2 weeks. And that makes it quite uneven. So I'm just going to take a general measurement here. And it looks like we're very close to 50 mils, 5 centimeters. All right, so the lawn is about 50 mils. And for us to not break the 1/3 rule, we need to divide that through 3, which is about 17, times 2, which gives us 2/3, which is about 34 millimeters. And because of that, I'm going to give the rotary mower a shot today. So let's first set it to 34 mils. A little bit too tall. Whoa, we're getting close. And that, my friends, looks like bang on 34 mils. So now I've got my label maker and I will now mark this at 34 mils. And hold on, let me explain. So what this means is now that any time in the future that I want to mow at 34 mils, regardless of where this thing is, I can just set it to 30. Okay, hold on. Let me just get my bearings here. Now it's set lower, but it still says 34. Let me just check. So is this now also 30? Hold on. Now hold on, this is definitely not 34. Let me just check. Well, this is about 10 or 15. Yeah, this is around 15 mil. All right, so this is not 34. Let's scrap that. This is 15. Let me just set out 15. Okay, so this is 15. Here it is now. And then, you know what? I'm just going to measure every time. Oh, that's too tall. That's too tall. I think I found it again. I know this song isn't really pretty. Hey, come on. Give me a break. Welcome to the lawn, the South African lawn. Welcome to the lawn, the South African lawn. I mow really low. 10 mils low, I mow low. I mow low. I think it's really fitting that this song comes out in November for Movember. It's the mow song. Yeah. Woo. Are you feeling it? Are you feeling it? Man, I'm so less to cut grass. I saw me mow the neighbor's lawn. Come on, you sing with me now. Yeah, so that actually looks alright, Owens. I was going to mow without the basket, but that would have been a bit of an issue. Since even mowing with a basket, this thing doesn't have enough power to suck everything up, and simply the basket is getting too full. So I'm going to run over it again, just to pick up the last of the clippings. We mow low. Yeah, we mow low. 5 mils low. Yeah, we mow low. We mow low. Yeah, Owen, so my microphone battery died, and also my gimbal battery died. So I'm picking this video up right here. But whoa! Just a little wowee. Have a look at this, Owens. I'm super impressed. You know, as much as I wanted this golf course fairway look, it's just not something that's realistic to me at this point in time. Just don't have the time, simple as that. You know, if I had the time to mow 2 or 3 times per week, or every other day for that matter, it was a different story. But for now, this'll do. That'll do, donkey. I love this look, Owens. As simple as that. I'm not for 1 second going to say that it's as flat and as true of a cut as with a real mower, but on a whole different perspective. It looks great. The grass standing up straight, because the real mower obviously pushes it flat. The grass standing up straight just gives it a whole different look. It looks so lawny, home lawn feelish, you know. I don't know how to get this through to you, but it kind of feels and looks lush like a home lawn should. And I love that change for now. I'm not going to say that I won't mow with my real mower again. Probably my next mow, given the height now, will be with a real mower. It just looks great. I love this change. And given this longer leaf blade, like this, a lot of leaf blade exposed, just gives you that pop in color, you know, you're not cutting all the green off. So guys, the lesson for today. The 1/3 rule is a powerful bugger. Let me explain. It's much easier to mow at 30 mil or 34 mils for that matter, than to mow at 15 mils right here and not break the 1/3 rule. I mean, let's just do the basic math. Let's say your kikuyu grows 10 mils per week, which it kind of easily does in the middle of the summer. Then mowing at 30 or 40 mils, you can get away with mowing once a week easily. If you're mowing at 10 mils, you're definitely breaking the 1/3 rule if you're not mowing 2 or 3 times per week. As simple as that. So let's just look at the cut quality right here, Owens. Have a look at that. Clearly you can see a little bit of tearing on the tip of the leaf blades, which is not ideal because this will probably yellow off and whiten off a little bit more, especially in the middle of the day with the heat stress. But not too bad. Guys, and with that, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers, bye-bye.